Hey guys, for this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to send money to friends or family on PayPal. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to give away money as gifts to them. So, let's get started by opening PayPal. And once you open PayPal, as you can see, there's a huge button that says send, or beside it says request. So in request, you can ask someone to pay you money, and in send, tap on that, and then just choose someone from your contacts to pay them. It's actually very simple. All you have to do is tap on their name, and once you're in that, you're gonna be asked to choose a currency that you want to give them, and then type the amount that you want to give them. And that's pretty much it. I'm 100% sure that it works this way and no other way. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.